One of the other errors that happening in the washing machine is like when we are running the washing machine, sometimes the leak is happening. You don't know from where it is coming. So I also feel the same. I made a detailed study about my washing machine. It's an old washing machine. It's showing an answer error. It's showing D error. So I will show how we can sort it out also. So basically this is a D error. This is because of the sensor. Here there is a sensor between the door and this wall. So there is a magnet inside the sensor and it's not working. That's why we need to use a small simple magnet. You can take it from somewhere else and just put it here and just adjust it somewhere here in the sensor area like this. You see, again it's showing the number and start working. So better to put some sellotape or insulation tape across this magnet so that it will not move anywhere. Right away I'm not putting, because sometimes again it will happen and again we need to do this. Otherwise just simply put some insulation tape or something, because the washing machine, they have an automatic vibration and this magnet may move from here. So better to use some insulation tapes to fix it in the correct position, because this position, if it is changing, then it will lose its sensor control. So better to keep it in sensor area by putting some insulation tape like this or something. Right now I'm not putting it here. Okay, so if it is again happening, do the same, like just adjust this magnet here in the sensor area, again it will be active. And the other one of the problem that is facing in usually the old washing machines is the leakage, and you don't know where is the source of the leak is. I also faced this leakage issues with my washing machine, and I studied a lot basically, and I found like there are three. I will show what are the probable areas that the leak can come in an old washing machine. So you don't need to go to a mechanic or somebody's help, so that they will charge an additional 500, or let's say nowadays it's 1000 rupees. So you can save these money by just using some simple tricks. So I will show where it is coming. First of all, with this washing machine, you can see there's an inlet and outlet. This is the inlet of water, it's coming, this pipe, and the outlet of this washing machine is like this pipe. You can see how it is going. Okay, so in my case it will happen, there is a possible chance from here, from the inlet, there is a possible chance to get the water leak. Use some insulation tapes so that it will be covered. Here there is a small leak for my washing machine. I put some insulation tape here, or in the worst case you can put some small cups here. Just even if it's the insulation tape, sometimes the water drops will come, so you can put a small cup here, so it simply sorted it out, this problem. And this is one of the area where the possibility of leak is coming. But usually the people will think like from the beneath the washing machine or underneath the washing machine, there's less possibility of leakage. This is one of the things that you need to understand. There's a less possibility of leakage from the washing machine beneath, because people will think like it is coming from underneath the washing machine. But I checked it. You can see some supports. I checked it. Usually it will not happen unless the washing machine is damaged one. So for minor cases, it will not be leaked from the washing machine. It is coming from the inlet pipes, inlet joints and outlet pipes. This is the area where you can see a leak here. So one other possibility of leaking the washing machine I will show. So this outlet pipe, you can see inlet pipe I already shown here. Outlet pipe joint here, there's a big possibility of leakage. Here also I used this insulation tape. You can see it here, it's perfectly okay. Not a single drop of water is not coming here. Before it was like small drops of water came from here, so I stopped it. And in the worst case you can put some plates or something like this, but I just shown it here, but there is no need for this one in my case. And the other one is like just simply check this outlet pipe. This is one of the old washing machine I am using here. So you can see here this outlet pipe, there was a leak here. So these pipes are usually behind the washing machine and nobody will take care of. And when the water is coming, people don't even know where it is coming. So there is a big possibility of leakage from this outlet pipes because it's usually a simple plastic pipe. So you can just raise these pipes to a height like this, and then you can check from where the leak is coming. And I identified a leak somewhere here, and I close it with insulation tape. Now it's perfectly okay. So this is the other area where the leak possibility. And also, so right now we shown the D error, the possible areas of leakage from the outlet pipe, from the inlet pipe beginning area, and also in the inlet pipe area. There is another big possibility of leakage in the washing machine. And basically, if you see, there is in your washing machine there is for the outlet pipes there will be a drainage hole behind your washing machines. This is the drainage hole. Okay, so basically, sometimes what is happening, usually this outlet pipe, it is going to this drainage hole. Okay, usually in every washing machines it is coming to this outlet hole in the in your drainage system, and from this outlet hole it's going to the drainage. In our building it's like this. So usually this pipe is coming here, and in my case what is happening is like this drainage has some blocks inside. Okay, sometimes the water is going through this drainage hole, and sometimes it's overflow, it has some blocks inside, but I cannot fix it because it is inside the wall, and it's inside the wall going like going down too much. So either you can put some like acids or something to this that is available in the market. Supermarkets is available. Drainage acids, drainage liquids are there to cleanse these drainage pipes. That one you can use, or else in the worst case what you can do is just remove this outlet pipe from here to another drainage area in your room or in your building. Or otherwise what you can do is just you can see this is the outlet pipe, and it's going directly to the drainage hole. If it is the length is not suitable for your building or room, then what you can do is like you can just connect this pipe to a bigger pipe, and you can use some else drainage holes like this. In my case it's fitting here, so I am putting like this. So basically the 3 points are there. From here the inlet pipe, outlet pipe, and also the outlet drainage. These are the 3 main possible areas from the water leakage happening in the washing machine. So hope you guys interested my video. So these things you can it will be helpful. You don't need to remove the washing machine because it's an LG washing machine, so it's an old one, but it's quite, the quality of the washing machine is very good. Sometimes what people think is like when this washing machine was here somewhere close to the wall, what we can see, the lot of water is coming and everything. So what we are thinking is like we are thinking the water, this is the problem of the washing machine. No, this is not the problem of the washing machine. It is the problem of your inlet pipe and outlet pipe or the drainage system. It's a simple issue that you can sort it out. So you don't need to call a mechanic or somebody and give 1,000 rupees, or some people what they will do, even for these small things they will change the washing machine, and the 40,000 or let's say 30,000 rupees for washing machine they will put it. So see, these are the simple tricks that you can use, and you can save your money a lot. Hope you guys are interested in my video. Please subscribe this channel and also give me a like. Thank you.